just blows my mind. After wiring, installation is gonna take roughly 15 to 20 minutes. All right, fam, I'm putting in a brand new Hampton Bay fan from Home Depot. I hope it doesn't blow, but one thing that just blows my mind is the instructions say, insert fan blade. I've never had one like this before. So let's see if it's the real deal. What? Just like that. Clips right in. All right, fam. According to the instructions, this thing also comes with a magnetic base, which means drills for installs are going to be a thing of the past. No. Of course. It helps if you match white with white. All right. So, according to the installation instructions, all I have to do is line it up at this point. No way! Fam, I'm gonna be real honest with you. This fan took about 15 minutes to install, not including removal of the old fan. This is blowing my mind right now. All right, fam. It is not loud at all. It's got two different temperature settings for the light. Pretty amazing. And like I said, not loud at all. Comes with the remote. My mind is blown. So I touched this thing a grand total of once to remove the fan. Drills are a relic of the past on fan installs. In fact, I barely used that screwdriver.